Moose in the front, beef in the back. Flour and corn tortillas.
Very nice.
You're great. Have a good one.
Julia? Hey, what? Nova?
Thank you.
Oh, this drink is so good. Good.
Yay.
I love it.
There you go. Nothing quite like a good hedgehog. Whoa.
Hedgehog.
Yeah, some.
Here, try mine.
Oh, we got a blue raspberry.
I got blue raspberry with dragon fruit syrup.
Wow. That's pretty good.
Yeah. After I eat this mozzarella stick. Alright, what'd you get?
It's Sprite and coconut syrup, coconut cream, and then lime.
Interesting. All right, hold in the middle of that circle and good slow squeeze. That way you don't pull the gun off.
Okay.
It'll be 1,100 yards.
1,100 yards.
No pressure.
Butter up.
Butter ready.
Impact!
Impact!
There you go. Yay.
Well, I don't think we're gonna stay too long. I think we're just gonna get some sodas and a nader and leave.
Alright, so we're here for a barbecue tornado. No idea. So these are barbecue tornadoes.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah. I know it's not cool.
But it's not touching. It's not anywhere near touching.
It's twisty though. Can you see it?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Kansas tornado. Have you checked out on this? Although it's not technically a tornado until it touches, right?
I think so. Or I think it's behind us now. These clouds though are ridiculous. They're like very swirly up there.
Yeah.
They're doing very swirly things.
Even on the right side, it's kind of weird. But
Yeah. The contrast of what the sky looks like on our left versus our right. Dark and yellow.
yeah. Alright. Yeah, we got the double rainbow and both sides and lightning. And
Oh no.
we had a fantastic dinner. So we're all feeling great. Very happy.
Yeah, it's fun.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah. It's just a thing that I would be the type of person to find out. Like, yeah. That's funny. But then we also got the mountain pies that we'll do with the apple pie filling.
Oh yeah.
And
Wow.
I'm very excited.
Sounds pretty good. Potentially, yeah. Might need a flashlight on Julia. Oh wow, there you go.
There you go. It's got
So,
ice cream underneath.
ice cream underneath, and then what's in the bread?
Apple pie filling.
Apple pie. Very good.
I haven't tried it yet, but it smells really good.
yo.
That's cool. Sorry if I'm like.
You're good.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's good.
That's good.
You ready?
Yep.
Okay. What are these guys? Put one piece of bread in.
Oh, sizzling.
It means it's good. Okay. Other piece of bread. Okay. Good to go.
Assemble them. Get a good seal. Arf, arf. Put that puppy in the coals.
Wow. And then how long do you leave it in there?
Until I feel like it.
Alright. Heard it here first, folks.
Yeah.
She would say by the smell.
That's
Yeah,
true.
that's true.
You just smell when it's done.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Whoa. You like it?
It says price chopper.
They don't even